In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage Confluence groups. Whether you're a team lead organizing collaborators or an administrator setting up your company workspace, understanding group management is essential for keeping everything organized and secure. To get started, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you normally use. From there, go to Confluence and log in using your account credentials. If you're new to Confluence, you can sign up first and then continue once you're logged in. After signing in, you'll land on the Confluence dashboard. From here, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon, also known as the gear or cogwheel. This will open the administration menu. Inside the admin menu, select user management. This is where you control users, permissions, and groups across Confluence. Once you are in user management, click on groups. You will now see a list of all existing groups in your Confluence environment. If you want to create a new group, click the create group option. Enter a clear group name and description so it's easy to identify. Then save your changes. You can add members immediately or come back to it later. To manage an existing group, simply click on the group name. This opens the group details page where you can add or remove members as needed. You can search for users by name or email address. And if you want to add multiple users at once, just separate their names or email addresses with commas. From this same section, you can also manage user access across other Atlassian products, such as Jira, ensuring your team members have the right permissions to collaborate effectively. And that's it. You now know how to manage Confluence groups confidently, helping you keep your teams organized and your workspace running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful Confluence and tech guides like this.